Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel and Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve. So I'm going to be making donuts in this video. So first I'm going to be showing you how to make the dough and then let's roll this. So let's get to it and Merry Christmas. Okay, so I have around 2 cups of all-purpose flour in here. I'm going to add a little salt, okay? Now I'm going to add some nutmeg powder. Okay, now we're going to add some powdered sugar. This is icing sugar, okay? And this is like about 1 cup. Now we're just going to give it a nice stir. These are all our dry ingredients. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got our dry ingredients and here we're going to add our wet ingredients. So you've got some milk. This is about half a cup, one and a half cup. And now I'm gonna add like some yeast. Now we're gonna add some oil. We're gonna add like half a cup oil, like half of how much milk we've added. Now we're gonna stir all the wet ingredients together. Now we're gonna add 1 egg. 1 egg. Now we're just going to stir the egg and all our wet ingredients. Okay, so we have to mix this with these wet ingredients properly for a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients, but gradually. So make sure that you add it gradually to get the dough perfect. So as you can see, we've had half of the wet ingredients and it's starting to become like a nice dough. Okay guys, so it's nicely mixed with the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. They're all mixed. So now we have to knead it by hand. So what you're going to be doing, we're going to add some all-purpose flour onto your hand, okay? And onto the dough, onto your hand and the dough. And start kneading, okay? Okay guys, so the dough is almost ready. And I'm just gonna knead it a little more. Okay guys, so just going to knead it more. It's still a little sticky. You don't want it to be sticky at all. Totally soft. My hands are not that doughy, but before they were very doughy when I first started. Hey guys, so the dough is pretty much ready. You can see its texture. Nice and soft, not sticky, thick. As you can see, it's very thick. I've added some all-purpose flour here to properly knead it. You can do this too. You can add some oil or extra all-purpose flour just in case it's too liquidy. And if it's too thick, you can add some more milk, or if you have wet ingredients remaining, you can add some more of the wet ingredients. I had enough. I didn't need to use extra wet ingredients, but needed to use extra oil and all-purpose flour because there are very less chances that you'll get it right without adding the extra ones. Still gonna knead it a little, then I'm gonna set it for fermentation for at least 1 hour or like half an hour or 1.5 hours, depends. Okay guys, so the dough is perfectly ready. Now I'm going to set it for fermentation for 1 hour. Okay guys, so now the dough is ready. I popped this into the bowl and put some oil over it so that it just oil over it. And the bowl which I've put it in has some all-purpose flour in it. Now I'm going to take this wet paper towel and put it right over. Okay guys, now I've covered this. This is the wet paper towel here. Now I'm just going to let it ferment for half an hour or 1 hour. Then I'll get right back to you for making the donuts into their shape, frying them, and adding the frosting and sprinkles. Bye guys. Well, not exactly bye. I'm going to see you again in like an hour or so. Oh, and one more thing. You have to make sure that you keep this in warm temperature. Warm. Okay guys, so while our donut dough is fermenting, I'm going to make the Christmas cookies. A very quick, simple recipe: all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, and some oil. If you remember from the donuts, this is the wet ingredients. I still have some left, which I'm going to be using with my cookies. If you don't have any left, you can just make some more of the same. Okay guys, so now after mixing a little, I've got this dough here. So what I'm going to be doing now is going to be kneading it with my hands. We need to turn it into somewhat like a little thicker than the consistency we made for the donut. Okay guys, so now our dough is ready. Okay guys, so now I've got my dough all ready here. I put some all-purpose flour on the surface I put it on, and I'm going to roll it out with a rolling pin. The rolling pin also has all-purpose flour. Okay, so now I've rolled it out. It's about half an inch all around. Now I'm going to cut it out. We'll cut the 2 gingerbread men out and 1 present out using a handmade template. Okay guys, so I have this handmade template here of a gingerbread. I'm just going to use it to cut out. Okay guys, so I cut out a gingerbread, and I'm just going to cut out some more cookies, and yeah, it looks quite nice. Okay, so this is the cookies. Now we have to put them to bake. Okay guys, so the oven, I preheated the oven to 180 degrees, and I put the cookies into the oven to bake. See you after they're done. I'll see you after they're done. Bye for now. Okay guys, so the cookies are ready. Now I'm just going to ice them. I'm going to be making icing out of icing sugar. And I've got some food coloring too. Okay guys, so I've made some icing in here. I add some green food coloring, got some normal icing. I just mixed some water with the icing sugar. It's homemade icing sugar, and I've already put some icing, and I'm going to continue. Okay, so the Christmas cookies are ready. As you can see, they're super duper cute. Now we're gonna eat them. Yeah, bye. Kind of, yeah. I'll see you again when I'm making the donuts. Okay guys, this is part 2 in which I show you how to fry and roll out the donuts. If you want to see how to make the dough, see it in part 1. So first we're going to roll out the donuts and cut out the shape. Okay guys, so I have cut out the donut shape. These are mini donuts. I've made one before and it turned out great. Now we're going to fry them. Make sure that the oil is medium hot, not very hot, medium hot. Okay, the oil is ready. Now we're going to put the donut in. Okay, so you have to put them in and wait till it floats to the top. When it floats to the top, you have to give it a flip. Okay, so it's floating to the top. One is floating to the top. Now we will give that one a flip. And keep doing this until your donuts are nice golden brown. So the donuts will look like this when they're ready. Okay guys, so the donuts are ready. They look delicious. I mixed some melted chocolate and Nutella for the frosting and used some orange flavored sprinkles, and it just looks amazing and they are delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Like and subscribe to my channel, and please watch part 1 of my Christmas video. Bye.